How's it going, guys? It's gonna be a quick video just to demo the sensors we have on our BeagleBone project. So just a quick little outline. This is our temp sensor. Um, we are using the TL336, and then we have a light sensor here, which was the same ones we used in our Arduino lab from freshman year. And then finally, we have this temperature probe that is waterproof, which we found online. And we kind of got the libraries up and working. So now I also have a little cup of water right here, which is maybe not the best practice. And then here's the BeagleBone black right there. So the blinking light just means it's connected to the system. So I'm going to very quickly share my screen. So right now I'm running our software. So you can see we have, I kind of have it so it's formatted so it looks like it's like stuck there, but you can see that it's like Debian Linux. And then if I run our final project, it clears the screen, and then it also uses a /R kind of indentation. So instead of keep on printing out lines, it just looks like it's updating. So right now, these are the data we have, right? Where this is the stuff we want to look at. We don't have the servo and relays up and working yet. That's the next step. So right now we have water temperature in Celsius, just because I think Celsius makes the most sense when it comes to water. Um, we have a light sensor, which is just, as you can see, it's just probably changed a bunch. It's just a 0 through 1, and we're going to have this up against the glass of our screen of our fish tank so it can tell if there's a lot of algae or not. And then we have air temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, just because we have both of those. And just as a person, you might want to have the Fahrenheit to know what it kind of feels like. So first, I'm going to dip the probe into the water, which you might see on the camera, but it might be a little small. So this number is going to start going down because the water is pretty cold. So this one takes a second to do, but so I'll demonstrate like the light sensor. So right now I'm covering up the light sensor, so it goes down to 0. So once we actually have this up against the fish tank, we can kind of calibrate it from where, 0.9 is probably water's completely clear, but then if it gets down to like a 0.4, there's probably a lot of algae. And then for the temperature, right now it's about 80 degrees in this room. I'm in Packard Lab, in the Keysight lab, and it's very hot here. So if I were to put my hand on this, it goes up, right? So yeah, those are our sensors up and working, and it's connecting to my computer through an SSH protocol, which allows it to also connect to the internet. So that's what we got so far. Thanks, guys. Let me end this meeting.